Hey, it's Matthew, and this is a Hot Wheels 2020 RLC RWB Porsche. RWB stands for Raw Welt Begriff and was founded by Akira Nakai. RWB means Rough World Concept. Nakai's son worked in a body shop and loved to create special designs on the cars he fixed. He then decided to make RWB and became known for making amazing modifications on Porsches. These mods are not just for looks. Nakai's son wanted these Porsches to have good traction on the track. That's why they are wider and have the huge wing. He also gives each a special name for his customers. In the background I have two other RWB Porsches, and the first one's from the Silhouette set, and the next one's from the Team Transport mix. This Hot Wheel was designed by Junimai and was sculpted by Manson Cheung on August 29, 2017. Manson told me a great story about how he was given a Porsche 934 Hot Wheel and he had 10 photos of the RWB. June asked him if he could sculpt it in 3 days because it needed to be taken to Malaysia for approval. It turned out amazing. So let's take a look at the box. You can see it says RWB, then Hot Wheels. Hot Wheels on the side right here too. Then it says Raw Welt Begriff. And on the back it says Raw Welt Begriff. So let's take this out of the box. So let's take a look at this box. You can see it says RWB Porsche 930, Hot Wheels. On the side it says Raw Welt Begriff. And you can see it says Hot Wheels on this side. On the top, Raw Welt Begriff. And on the back, I'll read this to you guys on the turntable. So I'm going to take the car out of this box so we can get a better look at it. On the inside of the box, you can see the logo for Christian Coujin. He owns many RWBs and is known as the ambassador for RWB. Christian has always loved Hot Wheels. He was so excited and humbled when Junimai texted him about making a Hot Wheels RWB. I was able to reach out to Christian and he was kind enough to respond to a question I had. More details on that toward the end of the video. So you can see these are numbered out of 12,000. I'm going to take it out of the acrylic box so you can see the car. So here's the acrylic case. You can see all it says on it is RWB Porsche 930 and then Collector Special Edition. And also Raw Welt Begriff on the right. So you can see there's a car and then Akira Nakai right here as a figure. And I'm going to take the car off the base so we can get a better look at the car. So let's put down Akira Nakai and take a look at the car. You can see this car is black, then the gold rims, and you can see it's very low profile since the rim and the tire are super close together. And you can see the doors open too. It's a really good detail. And then also the trunk. You can see the engine. And of course, since this is a racing car, has the racing doors right here, or the windows. Then inside you can see the steering wheel, the roll cage, and the speedometer. And you can see the backlights. And this car has a lot of detailing on it. I really like the feature how you can open the doors too. Because maybe someone will make like a small figure that might be able to fit inside. Because looking at Akira Nakai, it's going to be pretty hard to get him inside. On the back of the box it says, "What the world needs." With its wide fenders, long hood, and distinctive wing, there's no mistaking the lines of a Porsche individually customized by Akira Nakai. Through his company, Raw Weltbegriff, i.e., Rough World Concept, Nakai's sand transforms each Porsche he touches into a work of art and performance. In tribute to his artistry and talent, we present Nakai Sand's own Porsche 930 in 1/64 scale. Finished in Spectraflame Black, it features fully opening doors and engine compartment, painted gold spokes, Raw Weltbegriff graphics, and a mini fig of the man himself, Akira Nakai. Right now, Hot Wheels is doing a great job with detailing and moving parts for RLC cars, so they need to keep this up. So what will the future hold for Hot Wheels and RWB? I talked to Jimmy Liu, and he said at this time there's no official word or confirmation. Christian Coujin told me that he would love to see a convertible version of the RWB. That would be so cool. I would like to see Hot Wheels make a 993 version like the Shinjin in a Spectraflame Blue. Let me know in the comments below what you guys would like to see. I want to give a huge shout out to Akira Nakai for making such amazing builds, and a huge thank you to Christian Coujin, Manson, Cheung, and Jimmy Liu for answering questions I had about the RWB Hot Wheel. So thanks for watching, be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and tell me what you think about this RWB Porsche.